Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit a compound clip. I'm just going to edit this first so that you can see how I edit the compound clip once I've edited everything. So for instance, I have this video and I selected everything, right clicked and created a compound clip, and I wanted to edit the contents of it. I don't need to undo a compound clip, so I can basically just double click on it and then it will send me over to a different page where I can actually edit it. For instance, I want the effect to only be at the beginning. Then to go back to your main project, just hit this button. Again, if you want to edit, just double click on the clip. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!